to paint the earth. You are going to enjoy this drawing. The earth is like a home for all of us. A home that we must take care of. We children must be very careful about the earth, and so do the adults. Trees and plants are one of the things that protect the earth. They make the earth more beautiful. Let's make our drawing more visible. Coloring time. We use green and blue colors to paint the earth. Green color to show the continents. Blue to show the color of the ocean. Light pink. Brown. Pink. Light pink. Brown again. Red. I love it so much. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's draw another interesting painting together. Yes, guys, this is an astronaut. We start with his hat. Astronauts wear helmets to breathe in space. Now we go to the hands, and this is also from the body and of course the details of his clothes. He's wearing a spacesuit. Now his feet and special shoes. They float because there is no gravity in space. Space objects and the rocket make this painting more interesting. Astronauts travel to space in a rocket. You can see the Earth from space. Space is full of stars and planets. It's time to color. Gray, blue, yellow, and green. Blue again. Yellow again. Red. Pink. And orange. The astronaut is exploring the universe. Good job! The astronaut walks on the moon. Red for rocket. Dark green. And a little yellow. Pink. Excellent! One day you can be an astronaut too. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.